How'd you break in? A window? Oh, there he is. He's trailing me. He's zooming. Haha, I made you swing. How did that work? There's no way. Whee! We're going on a trip to MZ's favorite indoor map. Woo! Running through the vaults. We're on Larry's. Actually, I don't think this is my favorite indoor map. I feel like game might be my favorite. Oh, I fucked up. Just wait to fuck with his POV. My mother was home, so I didn't know my keys, but she went to bed. You get through a window. Oh my god, I've been there. I've been there. Oh, you get gender. Nice. Yeah, I've been there. Joel and I got ourselves locked out like a little while ago. But we have a, like a little cat door thing. And we managed to like make something to like, bonk the lock. So we were able to get in. Thanks, Fish. Appreciate it. Take care of yourself. I think Joel's asleep behind me. Get asleep, babe. He's asleep. What the hell? He is just sleeping. He's having a cheeky napperini.
On your side.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, that sucks.
Down one.
Okay.
Nothing on it. That's okay.
I don't know where to. Oh. No, that's. It's not flashing.
Running him into main area.
Little Simsy. Oh my god. I wish. I wish I was little Simsy. She's adorable. I was watching MasterChef last night, and some guy made meringue, and they all cheered, and I thought to myself, that's odd. Normally they boo meringue. Oh my god. Okay, I sort of pre-read that, okay, and I was like, am I missing the until I said it. AJ, that's terrible. That's terrible. That is you're gonna make a perfect dad someday. Oh my god. Anyway, how are you? How are you, Big? How are you doing today? Ah! Thank you. Is he dead? He's not dead. Oh my god, I feel like this game is ending a really long time. Dang right I am. That's the worst dad joke in the fucking world. Boo. Meringue. I have to use that. I'm gonna use it on my dad. I actually think he'll love that. Oh my god, we kind of body blocked each other then. Alright, I'll go for Jake. I think we're cooked. Is that an add-on? Because I got donked as well. Is he slugging?
I think you might want to be wanting the 3k.
What's the bloody 4k? Too bad, so sad. I'ma do it. I should have dropped. I didn't think he would be so far. Where is he? Oh god, this is terrible. Terrible. I'm bad at Mind Gaming Palace. Nobody saw that. It's so good. What do you mean? Suck my dick. At least MC is streaming, you little shit. Damn, she's not having it. She misses your streams. That's her way of saying she misses it. Called out. Okay, I'm leaving for good. You're in trouble, AJ. Oh my god, he really wants the 4k. Is he adapting? What perks was he running? I can't even remember.
Might be. I don't know. But there's no
Which way is he
photos
coming from? I'm
or
scared.
phones or anything.
He's over there.
Yes,
Okay.
he's up-
No! What the hell? He could have hit me there. There's no way.
He respects pellets like crazy.
I can't mind game pallets! Ah, just fucking hook me! End the game, bro. End it. Come on, please. Ah! Wait, just crawl away. Crawl away, maybe. Oh, wait, no, Jake, get out. Leave, Jake,
Next
leave.
navigate.
Yeah, no, that's good. It'll force us to open it. I don't know where he is,
He's going
but
to have to.
there he is. Just go. Honestly, I want him to leave. I want him to leave. I don't want him to get the 4K. Come back to streams, you guys see a whole new setup. So true. Oh my god, how exciting. I'm so excited for you. P.S. I don't even stream. No idea what you're about. No, you don't stream. You've never streamed before. Never. Never. Oh my god, that was painful. Okay, let's go to Streamlabs. Wait, what do I do with my source? Do I just edit my source? Do I open the properties? What am I doing? Just a girl, AJ. God. Jimothy.
Is he letting me?
He's mooring you.
No. Yeah. It's like a chance.
I am just a girl. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I have added I've added the browser source into Streamlabs. Oh, he had no perks. Okay. So he wasn't adapting. Jake was though. Jake got his adept. Oh, I'm happy. Okay, here we go. In the audio properties. Wait. GG's Wesker. AJ, if I say that I don't even know what that means, are you gonna get mad at me? The audio properties for the browser source, do you mean? It's gonna be a nightmare. I'm just a girl. Wait. Mad at you never. I mean, I'm sure it'll get there. I'm sure you'll get there. I am sure that you'll get there. See, this tutorial on the thing is for OBS. Except for now, you're stupid. Help. See what this guide says. This guide says to select what you're using. So that's the browser. Moving on.